Happy day, happy day. Guess what I got today? So I just got the S26, literally just dropped off from FedEx, but wait, I got two of them. So I got two of them. The reason why I got two of them is because I can't just get one without my wife getting one. So my wife and I just upgraded. Now we upgraded from the S22. The reason why I held out so long is because I actually loved the S22 little pin, what Bluetooth, and they don't do that anymore. But I got the notification or the alert saying that the S22 is no longer going to be updated after this year. So my wife and I went ahead and purchased the S26 Ultras. I want to just kind of show you right out of the box. I literally just got them about 2 minutes ago. So, you know, you're looking out for the delivery guy, and you make sure that you get it because they got the signatures required. And so you want to make sure that you're there to get that signature. I looked out the window and I'm like, oh crap, how long have they been there? And I barely got them right before they walked away. My first impressions are, that's pretty slick. About the same weight. Obviously, you're going to have much, much better processing power on the S26. I did go with the Ultra because I wanted that 16 gigs of RAM extra. The other thing I'm super excited about is the wireless charging, because the faster speeds now are faster wireless charging. Also, I upgraded to 1 terabyte storage. My wife really needed that storage because she never ever deletes her food pics. She just has them on there like, I don't know, forever. For like 20 years, she has them on there. Let's see how fast it loads up. So this is really cool. So I'm just transferring all my data with this USB-C cable right here. And this is the first time I've done it, kind of geeking out at how easy this is. I mean, it's my old phone to my new phone, 100%. And it says everything, just calls, contact messages. One of the things that everybody is talking about is this privacy screen. So I'm just pulling it down from the settings here. It's all the way down at the bottom in privacy display. And you can turn privacy on. You can set conditions for turning it on. So that's pretty cool. Maximum privacy. So I'm going to turn it on right now. Maximum privacy protection. And we're going to see. Oh, wow. So I'm not sure if you can see that, but you can see my screen there and you can't. I can't see it. I can see it now. Can't see it. You can see it. Can't see it. That's super cool. So this is my S22. Just kind of scrolling through. Hearthstone, open these up. I'm probably going to require an update. That is super fast. It's already installing, is ready to play. I am upgrading from an S22, so if you are in my case where you're kind of an older phone, I would say it's definitely worth the upgrade. Step up into the new technology. I'll come back and maybe do some pictures and some reviews of some video. 30 minutes setup, you're on the road, you're ready to go. Guys, welcome to the future. If you're looking at getting the S26 and wanting to upgrade, for me, it was worth it.